This is just a quick run through the Ryobi 4-volt carver, which I used to tidy up a sign that I'd done with a router jig for my recent art trail. The chuck takes the standard flex cut type carving bits, which you can get many different types of, and you can also buy a flex cut handle which they'll fit into for doing any hand carving. You swap the bits in and out quite simply with the chuck key, which locks them in place. Very simple and very quick. You just slide the on switch on and it starts the chisel going in and out and vibrating. Very effective at cutting into the wood that needed dressing up here. I was quite surprised how effective it was. And the reason that the letters needed tidying up was I was useless at using the router and the jig for the letters, so I got a bit better as I carried on, but the tool here was invaluable for sorting out the mess that I'd made of some of the first letters. And after I'd done the bulk of the work with that, I then used the 4-volt rotary tool with a carbide burr on it just to smooth it off and dress it up. That worked out really well. There it was finished, and afterwards I needed to fit a new door lock, so I used it there as well, and that was also surprisingly effective. This speeded up the dressing of the recess for the 5-lever lock no end, and very effective it was too. So overall it's a good little tool as long as you stick within its capabilities and don't try and take huge rate cuts. It's extremely effective, and the battery lasted surprisingly well.